Hi everyone and welcome to BotPenguin. In today's video, we'll walk through how to integrate Google Sheets with your bot and how to use that integration inside your WhatsApp bot. So step 1 is log in and open your WhatsApp bot. Start by logging into your WhatsApp bot and then navigating to third-party apps integration, search for Google Sheet. Click connect and then we need to authorize our Google account. Once we have provided the specific permissions, our Google Sheet will be connected with the bot. Once connected, we'll see a configuration panel. We can enter the title and choose when to trigger. We can choose two options here, lead alert trigger or chat flow trigger. I'll explain the difference shortly. For now, select lead alert trigger. Next, choose the default sheet and the subsheet. Select the questions from your bot that you want to store in the sheet. Optionally, we can choose custom attributes as well. And if we want, we can add more by clicking on add parameters here. Enter the mapping values. These will become your Google Sheet column headers and click save. Now to configure lead alert triggers, we need to navigate to our bot settings, go to alerts, when to select lead info. We can choose 5 minutes later, end of flow or beginning of the flow. For Google Sheets, we recommend selecting 5 minutes later. Now whenever user interacts with your bot after 5 minutes, all mapped values will automatically be added to your Google Sheet. Click on save changes. The second one was chat flow trigger. To use this, go to your chat flow section, edit your flow, look for the integration sections on the left hand side, click on it, click on Google Sheets and add the component where we need. Once added, we can choose the default sheet and the select sheet, and we'll also choose an action, get details, add row, update row and delete row. For lead collection, choose add row, so every time a user interacts, even returning users, a new row is created instead of updating existing ones. And that's it. Using Google Sheet integration with BotPenguin is simple, flexible and powerful for lead management. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin. See you in the next video and have a great day.